Hello! Today we're going to make curry. I'm going to make a Penang Nyonya curry. It's a curry that I eat at home. I've made curry since I was very young with my mom, but this particular recipe I've already modified it as we go along. It underwent some changes, and this is curry that I cook nowadays at home. And for my Friday night takeaway, I had it once and oh, they love it. The customers love it. So tonight I'm going to show you how to make easy Penang Nyonya chicken curry. It is very simple. It takes only a few ingredients and it's very tasty. I'm Loretta Lee, Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food. And don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you can be informed of all the videos that I upload. And I upload once a day. And most of the videos are about my food, the food that I eat, and things related to food and sometimes travel. So let's go and see how to make this easy peasy Penang Nyonya curry. The ingredients for the chicken curry, you would need about 500 grams of boneless, skinless chicken thighs and cut into cubes, the serving size that you want. About 300 grams of potato, to be cut in chunks. 1 slice of galangal root, but mine is dried, so it's 2 small slices. Yeah. And also 2 star anise. Okay. 2 lemongrass. Yeah. 1 sprig of curry leaves is here. 200 ml of coconut milk. I take it from the tin. And 1 cinnamon stick as well. 3 shallots, a knob of ginger, about 4 fat garlic, so it's average size, so I use about 5. Chili if you want to have more color and more heat, or you can use this one just for the color. Okay, and this one we will put it in a blender or a chopper to chop. And of course you need 3 to 4 tablespoons of Malaysian curry powder for meat. Yeah, we put into chunks. For the spices, for the lemongrass, I'm just going to beat it up, smash it, so that we can release the flavor. Chilies, you might want to add some chilies. You might want to de-seed them if you want to. If you don't want to, it's okay. Mine is actually frozen. I bought some and I didn't eat, so I freeze it. Ginger, garlic, shallots. Okay. Put in here and then we will blend it. I have about 300 grams of water, so I'm going to put some here, just enough so that it will be able to chop and blend nicely. So this is ready, it's all finely chopped. And then for the curry powder, we'll add a few tablespoons of water to make a paste. So you mix it to a paste. Okay. So we're going to fry the curry paste. We put about 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. We're going to put the onions, the ingredients that we chopped or blend. Just tumis, we call it tumis, means to fry in oil. You just tumis it. Normally in the early days, when people are not so health conscious, we used to use quite a fair bit of cooking oil, say about half a cup or so. And we will fry until the oil separates and comes out. But now we're only using 1 tablespoon or so. I think I've used about, the maximum is 2 tablespoons. So we don't see the oil coming up. So the color doesn't look so nice. And that's the reason why I put the extra red peppers to make it look redder. Okay. By right, at this time when the water has evaporated, the oil will seep out. But we don't have so much oil, so we are going to skip well, I don't say we skip, but we're going to miss that particular type of visual indicator to say that it's done and it's nice. Yeah, so we like that. So now I'm going to add the curry paste. You can smell the curry smell. Now we can put in the chicken. All the spices, except maybe the leaves later on, you add it in. Get a good fry. It tastes better when you fry it this way than just adding water. The rest of the water, you can add more water if you want, or you can add less water, but you still got to put the coconut milk later on. So we'll now add the potatoes. Okay, and then we'll let it come to the boil, and then we'll simmer it for about half an hour. So now it's after about 15 to 20 minutes. We give it a stir. I'm going to add this. And then we'll add the coconut milk. So this is the thickness of the gravy. So we will cook it for another few minutes until the potato is soft. Then we will season with salt and pepper, but no need pepper, just salt. If you want to add a bit more water to this, it's okay, it's up to you. So we'll bring it to the boil, and then we'll check on it later. So I've got my curry done. Chicken curry, this is easy Penang style Nyonya chicken curry. It's my own recipe. I grew up making curries, but when I move out and live on my own, I add my own twist to it. And this is the roti jala. It's a very lazy roti made from wheat. And this is the this is the nasi kunyit or turmeric rice. It's made from it's glutinous rice soaked with turmeric and then steamed. So now I'm going to try. This is my sticky rice. Let's taste and see. Now I'm going to try some vegetables and see whether I like it. So I'll get some gravy, get my rice and my cabbage. It's got all the spices. Roti jala, which is like a lace. If you open it up, it's like a lace, you know. Jala is a net roti. See? Ta-da! So we can use this to soak up the curry. You can eat it with hands. Really good. You know what? Curry should taste salty, and this curry has enough salt. But I have another secret which I like, but I'm not sure whether you like. I like to eat my curry with soy sauce. Okay, I'm going to eat it with soy sauce. If you don't believe me, try it with soy sauce. It's really, really good. I hope you enjoy making and eating the curry. Until the next time, I'm Loretta Lee, Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food. So if you like my video, please don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to share if you think some of your friends or family members might benefit from it. Till then, ciao, see you again, bye, bye.